shaded area. As you can see that the whole is 1 rupee. So this is 1/4, which comes out to be a 25 paise. Let's move to the next slide. What is the value of this shaded area? I can see that 3/4 are shaded out of 4. So it's a 25 paise multiplied by 3, that is a total of 75 paise. Next slide. What is the value of this shaded area? As you can see that the whole circle is divided into 5 parts. So one part will be 100 divided by 5, that is 20 paisa, and shaded are 2 parts. So it's a 20 multiplied by 2, which is a 40 paise. Now 1 rupee is divided into 10 equal parts. So the value of each shaded part has to be a 10 paise. And if we take this concept to the next level, what is the value of this shaded parts? Hence the value is 60 paisa, 6 parts. Now if the whole value of the circle is 1000, what is the value of this shaded parts? Again, if you can see, 1 out of 4 is shaded. So the value has to be 250. Now what is the value of this shaded area? Again, quarter is shaded, so it's a 1/4 of 500, which is 125. And if the circle is 100 and it's divided into 10 equal parts, what is the value of 8 shaded part? Previously we have learned each part is 1/10 of 100, that each part carries value of 10, and 8 parts are shaded, so the value of this shaded area has to be a 80. Or you can do by opposite, 2 parts are not shaded, that is 20 is not shaded, so our answer has to be 100 minus 20, which is 80. So the percentage symbol stands for 1/100. The name itself suggests per cent, that is per 100. So the moment you see the percentage symbol, the meaning of it 1/100. So let's take basic example, 50%. So 50% is nothing but 50 divided by 100, which comes out to be half. So if anyone says what is the 50% of any number, simply half the number. For example, 50% of 1000, that is half of 1000, 500. 50% of 500, 250. 50% of 200, that is half of 200, it's 100. 50% of 50, that is half of 50, which is a 25. Similarly, 25% is 25 over 100, which is 1/4, that is half of half. 25% of 1000, half of 1000, 500, 5000 ka half, 250. So it's a 250. 25% of 500, 250 ka half, 125. 25% of 200, 100 ka half, it's a 50. 25% of 60, half of 60, 30, 30 ka half, 50. As easy as that. Let's take some more example. 30% of 40. Remember what is the meaning of percent? It is 1/100. So our calculation would be like this. Zero's gone, zero's gone. So simply 3 into 4, 12. Cut the 2 zeros. So it's a 12. 60% of 80. Cut these 2 zeros. 6 8s are 48. 50% of 70, cut the two zeros, 5 into 7, 35. 90% of 90, 81. 10% of 80, cut the two zero, you will get a 8. So 40% of 60, cut the two zero, 4 6 are 24. 60% of 70, cut the two zeros, 6 7 are 42. 20% of 90, 18. 10% of 50, 5. 40% of 80, 32. 4 8s are 32.